Namaste, respected Deepak sir and my dear sisters. I am here to deliver a speech on Panch means the five pillars of our life. The vital elements means food, water, electricity, fuel, and last but not the least is time. So I want to tell you that these all the vital elements are required in our life. We should have them conserved. We should conserve them whatever the dates or whatever you want to do to protect them. And I would like to say something about these punch means these are the collective form of five vital elements which I have told you. uh, First of all, the if we'll not conserve them, we'll definitely weaken our society, weaken it, and if we'll protect, we'll secure our future. So I am telling about the food conservation first. As you all know, we have food, but one third of food produced in our country or in our world, it goes to garbage due to that we take more than the food which we require. So we should take as much food which we can take, which we can eat. Okay. So I would like to say, उतना ही लो थाली में, व्यर्थ न जाए नाली में. Okay, I would like to say that if we are wasting food, we are ignoring those people, those millions of people who go to bed hungry. So we should recall these people. If we are conserving food, we'll give them food. Okay, not directly. It will be given to them indirectly. Okay, so we should conserve food. Second thing, water conservation. As we all know, 71% of Earth is water, but 2.5% is fresh water, and in it only less than 1% of water is fresh and accessible. Means rest of the water is in ice form, which we are not going to take it. So we should conserve water. Also, even a single drop, we should use even a single drop of water with absolute respect. If we'll conserve water, it will also be going to somewhere else which are needy people for water. Third, electricity. As we all know, transportation and economy of any country depends on electricity. So we should also conserve it. And as if it is used it is generated by fuel, and it creates a lot of pollution, heat in our ambience, like global warming, and also health related issues. So we should conserve them, and not even for our environment, we can conserve it for our electricity bill also. The fourth one, the as I have told you, fuel. It is also be conserved. As you all know, it is non-renewable source. It takes millions of years to be formed, and it is ruined in decades. So we should conserve it so that we can get progress in not even our country, our world will get progress in their future. And fifth, but not the least, the time, the most precious thing of our life. Time, we should manage it, we should use time accordingly, and we should uh, involve our time, engage our time in a fruitful form. We should not waste our time, because if we are wasting our time, we are wasting our the future of our society, which we are wasting progress. We are ruining the progress of not even society, not even the city or the state in which we are living. We are wasting the we are ruining the future of our country. So we should conserve all these things. And in the last, I would like to say, we should let's get a pledge to conserve, to protect, to conserve all the all the five punch of our planet. So thank you and have a nice day.